Hey, what is going on, guys? Anthony here at Prime Coding, and before this video starts, I just want to say that you guys can request videos that you would like in the Discord. Sorry, that's just my phone. I got a text message. You can request videos in our Discord server. I'll leave a link down, first link in the description below, so that you guys can join and you guys can request videos. Just look for the section called video requests. Just request it in there, and I'll reply back to you if I'm planning on doing it or not. So basically, this is a viewer requested video, and I've been meaning to do this for a while, and I just haven't got the chance. So this is being recorded on the same day and uploaded on the same day. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any problems, you're in the Discord server. And yeah, that's really it. Let's get into coding. Hey, what is going on, guys? I really hope you guys didn't skip that in the first part either way. Otherwise, you're gonna miss a couple things that I said. I think I mentioned this, but this video, this isn't the only video that is going to be having music commands. I'm gonna be uploading my own videos that I would like to upload, but you guys can upload the following, which is gonna pop up on the screen now, such as the volume command, the skip command, the leave command, the vote command, the search command, such as when you search it, all you have to do is type a name. The bot will give you a certain amount of songs that it found that is similar or is that song, and you guys can change the amount of numbers that you got, the amount of choices that you guys can select. It's a whole bunch of things that you can do. I'll leave a link down in the Discord below, and if you have any questions, just ask in general support, or if you guys have problem with the code, just go into our discord.js section. Or actually discord-js. Discord doesn't allow periods in the channel names. But either way, let's get into it. So in the second video, we did the command handler, which basically that means we did our first command, which is a test.js, and we tested it. It all works. And the command handler basically handles the code, and it doesn't make the code go crazy where you have to reinforce your command or main code with a crap ton of more lines than you really have to. So basically, we did that last episode. If you don't have the command handler that I have, if you have Commando or maybe a different command handler, if there's anything out there, this might not work with your command that you're looking for, with the command that you want to do. But you have to have this kind of command handler. If you need it, just go back to the second episode. It's not that hard to find. It's just called the command handler development thing. So yeah, let's just get into it. So with the commands folder that we made, we're going to be using this test command a lot in future videos. So just keep it here, don't delete it. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to right click on the commands folder. We're going to click on new file, and we're going to call this play.js. Again, like I said in the command handler episode, you guys can name the file whatever you want, but for consistency, I like to name it the command name, such as test.js, which is the file name, and right here, this is going to be the command name. I just do this for organization and consistency. But anyways, we're going to get into installing a package, which is in Visual Studio Code. You just do left control and the backtick, and it'll pull up that terminal. I'm just going to make sure it's there. So we're going to do Npm Install ytdl-core-save. So right here, this is going to be the package that we're going to be installing for the command that we're going to be using, and you need this for the command. And I think we're going to need one more, but we'll find out when we get an error. I'm not really sure which one we need, but anyways, let's get into coding. So we're going to do const, which is a function for constant. It's basically requiring it. Or we can do ytdl equals require, parentheses, quotation marks, ytdl-core, put a semicolon at the end of that. And now every single command you need, you're going to have the following. You are going to need the following, actually. So we're gonna need exports exports dot run equals async parentheses client comma message comma args comma ops. So basically what we just did here, we are going to be labeling what we are going to be needing. I guess I don't really know how to explain it, but in my mind I know what I'm talking about. But we're going to make an arrow function, so equal sign and a arrow, put a squiggly bracket over there, and all of our code is just going to be based in here. This is going to be a really small command, so it's not going to be that hard to make. If we run into an error, it's not going to be that hard to figure out. It's maybe like a top 30 line command that we're going to be coding. So the first line that we're going to be making is if set of parentheses and exclamation point message dot member dot voice channel. So basically the explanation point basically is stating if the user that sent the message, which is a member, is not in a voice channel, we're going to return message dot, you can do message dot reply or message dot channel dot send. So basically the message dot channel just send sends a message without tagging the user, but you can also just do message dot alter. It's fine though, but we're gonna just keep it like this. So we're gonna do set of parentheses or quotation marks. We're gonna do please connect, I cannot type tonight, to a voice channel so I can join. So at the end of that line, we're going to put a semicolon and on to another line. Right here, this is going to check if the bot is already in a channel. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a note here. We're gonna, so this / or the double / is a note. You don't necessarily need it, but if you want it, you can have it. It's not part of the code. So right here, this is basically stating this checks if the bot is in a voice channel already. You don't need that. That's just basically stating what that does. I don't know why I really did that, even though I don't have the GitHub yet or anything. But yeah, so we're gonna do another line of code where if space, and we're gonna do a set of parentheses message dot guild dot me dot voice channel return message dot channel dot send. We're gonna do a set of parentheses and quotation marks. Sorry, the bot is already in a voice channel. Put a semicolon on that end too. Go on to a new line. We're gonna do if set of parentheses exclamation point args, put a bracket inside of that 0, go out of all that, return message dot channel dot send. You didn't provide a link. So basically right here what we did was the args that we just put, it means if what the user already did the command, so that doesn't count. But if the user put the link, it's gonna count. So this line right here isn't gonna be used. It's not gonna be sending anything if the user put the link. But if the user didn't put the link, it's gonna reply back saying you didn't provide a link. So we're gonna put a semicolon in that line, and right here we're gonna put let validate equals await. Let validate equals await. ytdl dot validate URL in all caps. URL is going to be in all caps. Put a set of parentheses, args, put a bracket, put a 0, and put a semicolon on that. Now, onto a new line, we're going to do if, put a set of parentheses and exclamation point in it, validate, return, message dot channel dot send so basically put whatever you want in here that the bot is going to say. So we can say something happened, please try again. Put a semicolon in that line too. So now we're going to go on to another line. We're going to do let's info equals await ytdl dot get info with the capital I, put a set of parentheses, args, put a bracket, 0 inside that bracket, and put a semicolon on that. Now, we only got a couple more lines to go, and then we could test the command. Now, we are gonna go into a new line. Let connection equals await message dot member dot voice channel dot join. Put a set of parentheses there and put a semicolon on that. So basically what we just did there, we told the bot we are going to connect to the we're going to connect to what we just did. The person that used the command and put the arguments, which is the link, the bot is going to find who that was. It's going to find what that channel name is and where that channel is, or under what category or whatever it does, and it's going to connect to that channel. But now it's not going to play anything because we don't have anything yet. So now right here, well actually we do have the link, but it's not going to play that link yet. So right here we're going to do, on a new line, let dispatcher equals await connection dot play stream with the capital S, put a set of parentheses, ytdl, another set of parentheses, args, bracket, 0, put a comma, no, not a period, a comma, then put a set of squiggly brackets, filter, colon, backticks, audio only, and put a semicolon on the end of that. So right here you should have, and this line was a little annoying the first time I did this. So basically, let dispatcher means what the bot is going to be playing. This is what we labeled it. So dispatcher is going to be what the bot is playing. So dispatcher equals await connection dot play stream with the capital S, put a set of parentheses, in the first set of parentheses put ytdl, put another set of parentheses, args with the bracket, 0 inside the bracket, go outside of the bracket, put a comma, and put a pair of squiggly brackets, put a space, filter, colon, backtick, put a space, backticks, audio only, and put a semicolon on the end of that line. This is basically what we just did. That's going to be playing it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do message.channel.send. Now, this is going to be, put a set of parentheses and backticks. Now, this is going to be what the bot is saying, what the song title is. or video title is, or whatever you're doing. So now we're gonna put now playing, put his $sign in squiggly brackets, info dot title. Now put a semicolon on the end of that, and now we just finished. So obviously it's not gonna work yet, or else we're gonna get an error because we don't have module.exports.help. And that's basically what labels a command name and what it actually is. So we're gonna do module.exports.help equals squiggly bracket name colon quotation marks play. Again, I do this for consistency. What the file name is that we're coding the command, I like to name it the same. So the command name is play, and I like to name the file name as play too. So we're gonna save it. We're gonna run the bot with our command name that we did in the first episode, node app.js, and I'm on a different bot. What bot am I on? I'm on my bot. So okay, that's not good. Give me 1 second. Alright, that's weird. So, apparently we didn't install it. So, we're gonna do Npm Install. This is just on my end. I have multiple workspaces, and I guess Visual Studio Code doesn't agree with it. So I'm gonna do npm install ytdl-core -save. I don't know why that did that, but I guess I didn't do it right. So now we're gonna do node app.js. Okay, prime coding bot is online, test.js, and again, like I said in the beginning, I'm not really sure if we need anything else. I think we do. So if we look here, I'm just gonna make sure, yep, the bot is online, and I'm just gonna grab this link right here, and as you can see, I'm in a voice channel. I'm gonna unmute myself. The bot is currently online. We're gonna do play, put that link. Okay, the bot does not connect or play it. Alright guys, we're back. So basically I did a lot of things, and I had help by a lot of people. I don't remember doing this, but I guess I'm not really sure. I just don't remember doing it this way in my main bot. But basically what I was told to do is you're supposed to go to this site right here. Well, I'll leave a link down in the description. You're gonna go to this site right here, and you're gonna want to do download build. After you download it, you're gonna get a WinRAR file, or 7-zip, whatever you have. If you don't have any of those, I recommend get WinRAR. It's free. It's gonna keep on saying you gotta buy it, but just exit out of it. Once you get it, go to the folder named bin, and you're gonna want to go to your main bots directory, which we did in the first episode where we created it. So we're gonna go to our drive, prime coding bot, and it's here. So you're gonna want to drag ffmpeg.exe in your main bot directory, just like I did here. I did all this off recording, and it works. I'm just gonna copy this right here so I don't have to do it again. And it might be a little loud, so I'm gonna lower the user volume. It's gonna connect. There we go. It connects, and it's playing the song I want it to. If you guys have any problems, just join the Discord. I'm not really sure what else I can do from here. Meanwhile, I did a lot of things, possibly I could try to do. And I got help by a lot of people. Shout out to the source code, dude. They're legends over there. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any issues, make sure to join the Discord. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. Meanwhile, testing is coming up, and I'm being really busy with school and stuff. So just make sure to join the Discord server if you guys have help. Links will be in the description as always, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.